Understanding the phrase, a river of blood. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, a river of blood. This phrase is rich in imagery and has deep meanings in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its literal meaning, but also how and when to use it in English conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, a river of blood, literally describes a large amount of blood flowing or pooled together, resembling a river. It's important to note that this expression is not used to describe actual rivers. Instead, it's a metaphorical way to describe a scene or situation where there is a lot of blood, often due to violence or a catastrophic event. Historical contexts. Historically, a river of blood has been used to describe battlefields, wars, or massacres where the loss of life was so great that blood seemed to flow like a river. It evokes images of profound tragedy and highlights the scale of violence. Literature and rhetoric. In literature, this phrase is often used to convey intense emotion, dramatic scenes, or to highlight the consequences of violent actions. It's a powerful tool for authors to create vivid imagery and evoke strong reactions from their readers. Modern usage. In today's context, a river of blood can be used figuratively to discuss events or situations that lead to widespread harm or suffering. It's also used in political or social discussions to emphasize the severity of a situation or the potential consequences of certain actions. When using the phrase, a river of blood, it's crucial to understand its strong imagery and potential impact on your audience. It should be used sparingly and with sensitivity, especially in discussions about violence, history, or social issues. Here are some examples. The battle left a river of blood in its wake, marking a dark chapter in our history. The novel describes a river of blood flowing through the streets, a testament to the horrors of war. Advocating for peace, the speaker warned against policies that could lead to a river of blood. We hope this exploration of a river of blood has been enlightening. This phrase, with its vivid imagery and deep historical roots, is a powerful example of the English language's capacity to convey complex ideas and emotions. Remember, words are powerful tools for communication, and understanding their deeper meanings can help us use them more effectively and empathetically. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.